Your future or current addiction. And today I am back with a Hairline wig review slash tutorial. I have been through a lot with this unit and we're gonna get into that in a second. First, I'm gonna give you all the specs on this unit. Today's video is sponsored by SoGood Hair, and today I am rocking this beautiful unit that they sent me. It is a 22-inch 150 density body wave lace front wig from their line of wigs. Now normally when I get body wave, I think of a texture that's gonna have like a curl pattern like this, but a little bit looser, and something that as soon as you put heat to it, it's gonna fall out and you're gonna have like a slight wave. Well, when I first got this unit, I co-washed it, and after I co-washed it, the curls look like this. They were so beautiful. I have never seen a body wave textured unit that looks like this, where the curls are really defined, and I have no defining cream or like anything in it. This is just the curls naturally with just water on it. So can you imagine what these curls would look like if I would have put like a defining cream in it or something? I might in a few days after I've worn this hair, but there's way more to get into. I had never seen a unit like that. I already had plans to do like a different style with it, but honestly once I saw the curl pattern, I kind of got discouraged. I got this in like a month ago. So I wore it in its natural state. I wore it for like a week and then I took it off. I absolutely loved it. I didn't put any heat in it though. I left it sitting in my beauty room for like 3 weeks. So a month later pretty much, I come back to the unit after it's been sitting and I decided to film the review video for it. But I didn't have time to go ahead and rewash the unit and like start it fresh from the co-wash. So I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna take it as it is and go ahead and style it on camera a couple days ago. But I didn't like how it turned out, but I loved how my hair turned out. I'm gonna insert like a clip here of what my hair ended up turning out. This hair looks absolutely beautiful once you go ahead and add some heat to it. So I went ahead and added heat to it with my curl on, and I got that look that you saw there. And then I looked at the footage back. I didn't want to keep that video, so I thought, okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and co-wash this unit again, and then we're gonna come back and do another style, because I'm pretty sure the curls that I have when I initially co-washed the hair, those curls are gone because I put a lot of heat in this hair, and as soon as you put heat in the hair, the curls are gone. I then went ahead and co-washed the unit and let it air dry, and this is the curl pattern that I have from just co-washing it again. So even after heat, the curls came back, and I am so impressed by this. I love how natural these curls look. They look so natural. They don't look like some unison steam press curl pattern. It looks very realistic, especially the density on this. Since it's 150, it looks really good. So when I saw that the curl pattern didn't change, I'm thinking like instantly, okay, there's no way that I'm going to not like there's no way that I'm going to not like use this. That's why I'm bringing you guys this unit in its original state, but I have been wearing it for a while and I have been testing it. I have gotten no tangling, I have gotten no shedding. The cap construction on this unit is very nice. You get about 5 inches of parting space in the crown area, and you get about 3 inches of parting space on the sides with how their lace front is constructed, which is also very nice. But the star of the show is just the hair texture itself. Now, I'm the type of person that I definitely love to get creative when it comes to doing my makeup, when it comes to doing my hair. I will do a half up, half down. I will literally get into it if I want to try something different with my hair. I have like no issue with that. However, I'm not going to skim over the fact that I am very lazy when it comes to doing my hair and my makeup sometimes, because I do my hair and makeup so much that I think I've like tired myself out from doing it. If I can get away with looking really good in the shortest amount of time that I have available to me, that is normally what I'm going to try to do. I want my looks on a day-to-day basis to be very simple and very easy. If you can just go ahead and get a spray bottle and spray your hair and let it air dry throughout the day within like 20-30 minutes and it's dry, and you get this is absolutely something that I tend to go toward for its ease of wearability. I am all about simplistic styling. Only thing that I did to this unit off camera was I did go ahead and pluck my lace a little bit more. Now, I will admit, if you guys can see here, I do have to do a little bit of like crazy baby hair magic, because this unit comes pre-plucked, but I'm extra, so I'm like, I'm still gonna pluck it a little bit more. So I started plucking this unit, and I'm not gonna lie, I was not paying the most attention to it while I was plucking it. And guess what happened to me? I accidentally overplucked this unit in certain areas. So I am mad at myself about that, but I didn't bald it or anything, so that's fine. The hairline looked good before I plucked it, but I feel like it still looks good even after plucking. It looks very natural. It blends in super well with my skin. Everything about this hair I am totally obsessed with. So with that being said, if you guys like this unit as much as I do and you want to purchase one for yourself, I will leave all the links that you'll need to go over to SoGoodHair.com and purchase this unit down in the bottom bar below. If you are still watching this video and you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and give that subscription button a little love tap just for me, so you don't miss any of my future wig slaying videos or any of my other content. And with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching yet another one of my videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!